ask you a favor? It depends on what it is. What are you going to have for dinner? I don't know. I might have Italian food. What does she look like? She's tall and slim with blonde hair. What have you been up to lately? Planning my summer vacation. What is the title of the book you were speaking about? I don't know the exact title of the book. What's your job? I'm an English teacher. When's your birthday? In August. Where can I buy a bottle of water? There's a convenience store at the end of the block. You won't tell anybody what I said, will you? No, of course not. Am I late? No, you're on time. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you confident of your success? Yes, I am confident of my success. Can I try it on? Of course, this red one looks great on anybody. Can somebody show me how to change the cartridge in this printer? Sure, I will. Do you know her? Hardly at all. Do you know how to use this? No, I don't know how to use this at all. Do you know where my phone is? Your phone is on the table. Do you think Lucy will call tonight? She might. Do you want to go out? Not especially. Does he play the guitar? Yes, he does. Have you heard her sing? I have never heard her singing. How soon can you pay me back? I can pay you back tomorrow. How tall are you? I'm about 6 feet tall. Is it easy to play that sport? Yes, it's pretty easy to play. What do you do in the evening? We play dominoes in the yard every evening. What do you do in your free time? I go running a lot. What do you plan for the near future? I plan to go on holiday next month. What kind of tea do you like, green or black? Green, please. What in number 39 is the matter? Nothing, I'm fine. Where are you? I'm at home. Where do you get your information about train traffic? I have arrivals and departures times of trains. Where were you born? I was born in Berlin. Where's Jeru? He's taking a shower. Whose tie is this? It is mine. Why are you so excited? I have won the first prize in the competition. Why are you studying English? For work. You closed the window, didn't you? Yes, I think so. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to cats. Can you speak English? No, I can't speak English. Did you call Camilla? Oh no, I forgot. I'll call her now. Did you like the movie? It was terrible. Do our visits to London coincide? We could meet for lunch. Do you have a driving license? Yes, I do. I always keep it in my purse. Do you have a table for two? Certainly, sir. Do you remember your grandmother? Yes, I always remember my grandmother. Honey is good for health, is not it? Honey is tasty and good for health. How are you feeling? I'm alright. How do you come here? By subway. How many people does the auditorium seat? The auditorium seats 400 people. How much does this cost? It's $1. How's it going? Not bad. Is the collar of your shirt dirty? Yes, the collar of my shirt is dirty. It's a nice day, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.